All right, well, I made it to Atlanta, and this is my first morning where I actually tried to establish or re-establish my morning routine by going to the gym. There's an LA Fitness a little less than a mile in one direction, and about the same distance there's another one in the opposite direction. I have an option of going to either gym, which is pretty cool. And it's the first time I've been to Midtown, I think. I've seen a lot of it on Google Maps as I was searching for my apartment. I'm finally here, and stuff looks familiar, which is really nice. The people are nice. My apartment's nice. Unfortunately, the apartment I got wasn't the one I thought I was going to get. I asked to apply for 904 and I got 917 on the application. Didn't realize it. So when I get there, the view of the city is completely different. The layout of the apartment is completely different. Still good. Anyway, I'm stuck with it. That's okay. I'm here for work, not for pleasure. This is where I live, and right here's the Google building. You can just barely see it behind this other one. It's got that I-beam structure on the outside, which lights up all neon colored at night. Very cool. And I've seen it, let's see, blue and green, and today I guess it's orange.